Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Video, and today's video we're going to look at how to create printables quick and easy. Now just a quick update. This is my channel. If you've not been here already, I create videos how to make money on KDP, with printables and with video on all different social media websites, so feel free to come and check them out. It's only a small channel. I appreciate all the support. Let's get into it, guys. So we'll come over to Crispy Prints, which is an app I bought the other day. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description. But this is all it is. I've come over to the shower bundle, and what we do is we download the background temp, yeah. Then we get these sizes here, yeah. So the sizes for our image. So we go over then to Canva, yeah. And you can put in your sizes here, yeah. So you're 1063, 75, and then you press create new design. But because we've already done it in yesterday's video, yeah, let's go here. This is what we uploaded yesterday. So there's a template, and this was from yesterday's video. It's just a quick one. But then we need some backgrounds. We need some like what's going to fill this border in, don't we, guys? We need that, and we also need some images. So we're gonna make about 10 of them, yeah. So let me just quickly right, so there's our 10, yeah. So we come over then to Creative Fabrica. So I will leave a link in the description. You can have a because I'm a member with them, so I can just come over here and download whatever I want. If you're not a member and you want to buy some things, then they're quite cheap. A couple, like less than $1, some of them, quite a lot, quite cheap. Yeah. So what I've typed in, we want background. So I've typed in cute background, and then I press search. Yeah, and then I've just clicked on this box here, so it just shows a background. We don't want to see all the objects and illustrations and all that. Yeah. I mean, we could see illustrations. No, we don't want to see illustrations. So just backgrounds. So then it gives you all these. So like it shows you like a bit through them. So if you like sloths, here's some, yeah, abstract ones, and you just got to come down and get some. So I've downloaded I downloaded these. I downloaded these. Oh no, sorry, these here, baby animals, because I think we're gonna go for the baby animals. Then what I did, guys, is I've typed in baby animals, yeah. Baby animals. I've also, oh yeah, left it like that. So then you look at them, and then you see which ones you want, guys. And I think, remember correctly, yeah, I came to this one, guys. And if you look here, commercial usage allowed. So you're allowed to use them, yeah. Just read it properly. So it says like you get 12 cartoon baby animals set collection. You will receive in a zip file containing EPS file, JPEG file, yeah. And what I've done, I've downloaded this. Look, as you can see, you already downloaded this file. Then what I did, I went over to the profile, guys, because I like the designs. And then I've downloaded some extra ones. So I've downloaded these like animals here. I've downloaded these cat unicorns. I've downloaded some Christmas ones, yeah, some insects, yeah. So let's go back over to Canva, yeah, and then if you scroll down to my, sure, it's going to be on here. Go to folders, backgrounds. Here we are. So here's the backgrounds. All these backgrounds I've downloaded from Creative Fabrica, yeah. Like I said, I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link in the description. So what we're going to do now, we're going to quickly change them, guys. So we can try it. So all you do, in fact, we'll go on the animals first. That might help with the baby animals. There we are. So these are all the animals, as you can see. Yeah. So if we just replace, start from the top. We'll put a sloth in it, yeah. All right, yeah. So what I need to do, guys, is delete that. I'm going to put the sloth up. Put the sloth on there a minute. I want to make sure he fits in this box, you see. Make him a bit bigger. Yeah. Then I what to do, copy it, paste it. There's the first one. Let's go back up here. Delete that dude. We'll put a penguin in. I like, kind of like that one dancing. So copy it, come down, just delete that one. We don't need him anymore. Paste it. There you go. Go back to another one. Get rid of that dude. We'll have, what should we have, guys? I like this little pink bunny here. We'll just scroll it down a bit. Yeah. Copy it. Get rid of this baby again. There you go, guys. And this is all you do basically. You just copying and pasting. This is the way I find it easier. Oh, now we're on to insects. Now I think we're gonna go for this little beauty there. But Create Fabrica is great, guys. You can get all sorts. I think, should we have another insect? I think we'll have a little ladybird. I do like the little bee though as well. I like all these insects. They're very cute. What do you think, guys? Let us know. Moving on, let's have a dog, yeah? So we have this one there with a hat on it. And I'm making, I don't know why I'm making 10, but we'll make 10. Yeah, I'll just show you in a minute how easy it is with the background. The background's quite quick. Now we're up to the cat unicorns. We'll have this one, I think. Now I'm dropping it on this one here, guys, because if I try doing that, it automatically snaps into place and takes over that template. So I just find it easier to drop it in the one below it and then move it. If it makes sense. Right, moving on. Which should we have? What's your favourite animal, guys? Comment below. I'm going to choose. I think the baby elephant. They're all cute, to be fair, aren't they, guys? Yeah, we'll go for an elephant. Everyone likes elephants. Elephants are really popular, guys. The guy who created this app, Crispy Prince, he's got a video where it shows all about like his elephant, one of his highest earning templates. Yeah, well, highest earning games what he's made in the baby shower niche. And now we're up to that, these kind of superheroes. But I think we're going to go for another one of these animals, kind of like in a little croc. Yeah, he's quite cute. Doesn't look dangerous at all, does he, guys? Now, there might be a faster way. If there is, let me know. Quite enjoying doing this for now. How many have we got left? Oh, we've only got one left. Who should we have? Should we have superhero on dudes? Or should we have another? Let's have a superhero. No, in fact, let's have the giraffe. I like the giraffe. People like baby animals. People love animals, or in general, to be fair. It's a good niche. Now, it should be quick now with the animal, with the backgrounds. Oh, wait. Let's get rid of that dude. We don't want them both there now, do we? Yep, so that's that. So let's go to the backgrounds. Now, giraffes, we want like a yellowy colour, wouldn't we? I don't know, should we try this one? Maybe. We can try this one. Looks a bit dull, that one, to be fair. Not got many yellow ones, but we've got like trees there. Maybe we can put... doesn't really go, it's not really... what do you reckon, guys? More like fish, we won't do it. We'll go with that one for now. Right, so the crocodile, we want a bit of a green. Does he want that green? Yeah, we'll have that one green for now. Yeah, just thought show you it's fast. The elephant. No, let's have we got an elephant ones up here. Don't know what that blue is. I mean, it is elephants, but we can't really see it. But we'll do it. Yeah, it's more of a bright colour. This one, this should be easier. Yeah, I like that one. Doggy one. I'm not sure. Maybe. In fact, he's got a Christmas hat on, so let's have a Christmas one, yeah? Here's the Christmas ones. Let's see if this looks alright. Yeah, we'll have that one. Yeah, ladybug, ladybird. Should we have red one? Yeah, we can do. Oh, this one's going to be easier. Yeah, I like that one. Another pink one. Let's have another pink one. Dancing dude. Dancing penguin. Yeah. Oh, another Christmas one, yeah, for sloth. Let's try this red one here. Yeah, I like that one. The giraffe. I think it was this one I liked. Oh no. Oh no, wrong one. Oh no, that's the last one. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so those are 10. There's 10 different ones we've done, guys. I mean, some of them look a bit similar, but they're like, you know what I mean? They're different. Yeah. So that is it, guys. So then what you do then, you download these, and they probably download, you can download them individually. Like, you click on that and then just click one. Like, if you want page one like that, yeah, then download. But if you just want to download them all, yeah, just select them all, download. It'll come down in a zip file, which I'll download it. Yeah, it'll download into a zip file. Nope. and then you unzip it, and then what you do then, we would upload one of them to here, yeah, and then we would select all. So we select all the games here, guys, and then we press create bundle, yeah. That is how easy it is how to create printables quick and easy, guys. If you like this video, please comment below, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.